I have to wash the dishes before lunch. Hand. Have.
Can you help me with the housework this weekend? We really need to clean the kitchen and the bathroom. The bedrooms are okay.
No, but they'll have to pick up their toys. No, but they'll have to pick up their toys. Have.
Have to. Can. Have to. Can.
Can. Have to. Can. Have to. Ew, this garbage smells really bad.
Something smells awful in here. Maybe there's old food in the garbage. I'll take the garbage outside. Could you open a window?
While Mom was on vacation, I threw a party. The house looked so messy.